2019 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.